Solve the following triangle, rounding side lengths to the nearest tenth of a unit and the angle measures to the nearest degree. Okay, so we are already given the side C, the angle B, and angle C. So angle A is the most easy to find because because the remaining two angles are already given. So angle A is going to be 180 minus the sum of other two angles, which is angle B plus angle C. So that is 180 minus angle B, which is 40, and angle C, which is 75. So 70 plus 40 is 110, 110 plus 5 is 115. So 180 minus 115 is 65 degrees. So angle A is 55 degrees, 65 degrees, I'm sorry. Now on the other sides, since we know all the three angles, so we can use law of sines to find the other sides as well. So let's try to find side A using law of sines. So using law of sines, I'm going to use A over sine A. A over sine A is equal to another opposite pair which we know, which is this one, C over sine C. So that's C over sine C. So if we cross multiply, A will be C sine A over sine C. Side C is 8. Angle A is 65 and angle C is 75. So all we have to do is grab a calculator and get the value. So sine 65 over sine 75 times 8 is coming as 7.51 up to two decimal places. 7.51. This is the length of side A. And if we look at the options, the correct option is option number D. Thank you.